What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We are here on a private lake. We actually got a permission from the homeowners to magnet right off of here. We know that they dropped some stuff in the water from their dock. We're gonna try to look for that. I can already see a box in the water right there that we'll get out for them. They used to be on their deck, but a storm came and blew it off. I think there's 2 of them they said in there. We're gonna find them. I'm really excited. Haven't fished a private lake before. We're not gonna tell you guys the name of the lake or really our location, just because we don't want to give anything away and don't want people trying to come magnet fish here. So yeah, let's get it throwing. Taking a break from magnet fishing to do some fishing. And we're catching bluegill like crazy, back to back. Catch and release only for now, until I get hungry. Back to back. These fish are aggressive. Watch, I'm gonna throw this one back. Just keep the camera going.
Got one.
Look at janky worm.
Logan, I love you.
Ready? Let's see how long this takes.
Lil, take that off from Eddie, will you? Oh, yeah.
Let's see how long this takes. Oh, come on, get one.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's the smallest bluegill I've ever caught.
I want it.
This is my PB right here for micro fishing. Look at that little dude.
Throw it back in?
Yeah.
Yay.
I name it Zen.
Magnet fishing turned micro fishing. Come on, dude. There you go. Looks like a big one in your hands.
That is smallest fish.
No more dinks for me. Look at the size of that thing. That'd make a good sandwich right there. Whoa.
No.
Moving dock is freaking me out.
Ah. Moving back to fence.
Right up to the top of the lip too. Easy hook removal.
Ooh.
Bye, bud.
Wait.
Okay, so the worm just it ripped in half. I ripped it in half by accident. That's okay. But I need help. It'll work. Look at that fish.
Ready? Ready? Watch.
Throw it in, Maddie. Oh, untangle your line. Yeah, there's a bunch of. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, Meg.
We're getting the big boys now.
Woo.
Except don't look at mine.
Good job, Meg.
Insert big fish here. Back to back. This is fun. On that little bit of worm. Oh! We're good.
You're free to go off.
This is probably my PB of a lifetime right here. My goodness, look how thick that thing is. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Wish we had a scale here. This is probably a pound and a half. Look how big that thing is. My goodness. Oh. Wow, Larry.
Nice. I'm sorry.
My worm though.
Yeah.
I caught a fish.
Nice fish. Oh, and he's got one too.
At least he's still recording.
Jeez, these suckers are fat. Okay.
That's a nice size too.
Here it is. Nice to use the release too. Never mind that PB I got a second ago. Look at the size of this thing. My goodness, look at that. We're taking pictures of this thing.
All right.
All right, this is Magnolia's first throw with the Rogue Beast. And she got a baby crowbar.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, Megs. You like it?
Yeah.
Good job. First throw. It's gonna get better from here, right?
Right at the wall, too.
Good job.
Alright, Nancy linked up something heavy here and I'm pulling it in for her. It kind of looks like a safe door, to be honest with you.
It is.
Because it is a safe door. Heck yes. Alright. Nancy's fine. I pulled it in for her.
Thank you.
If there's a door, there's a safe, we're gonna find the rest of it. Heck yes. Oh my god, I got a safe.
That's what my door belongs to.
Yeah. Wanna get... No!
Josh.
I might need your help with this one, man. Oh. Oh my god. You can tell they blew the top off with something. Oh my goodness, I'm so out of breath right now. Whew. Look at that thing. Is there anything in it? Probably not.
No.
Whew. Nancy found the door. I found the safe. Heck yeah.
Good job. Take a break.
Yes.
Here it comes.
From Canada, I watched his video and he put total clickbait, found a dead body, and it was a fish.
What do you think it is?
I don't know, but I remember the other ones he's turned into dragonflies.
Dragonflies,
so.
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Maybe
like a
it
dragonfly
Maybe
nymph?
it turned to mosquito. Probably not.
Too big.
Mosquitoes are. Mosquito
That'd
or
be a
dragonfly.
giant mosquito.
Wait,
Alright, we're gonna see if this safe door belongs to this safe here.
something. Safe door thing. Oh.
Come on, get on.
Maybe just.
Get down there. I'll just put it up to it and see. Oh yeah.
Hey,
There she blows. That's it right there.
we both caught a piece of the safe.
We did.
Alright, full safe found on 2 different throws. We did it. There's a lot more stuff down there. We're obviously not done. We're gonna keep going, but first, we're gonna take some pictures for our Instagram and our Facebook. Remember to hop on over to Facebook or Instagram and give us a follow. Oh, that thing is awesome. We found a safe, Nancy. You know what that makes me do?
Safe dance.
It makes me do the safe dance. Safe dance.
We just made that
Why do I have a dance? Just click on something right where I found the safe here. That's like a coal shovel, like a mining shovel or something. Heck yeah. Right by the railroad bridge. I don't know, this could be used for like coal mining, or I mean not coal mining, but coal scoop, coal shovel. Just stop recording me. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore.
Okay.
It's gonna be a lot of tooth hole in this video. I left my mouth hanging open for some reason. Any idea what that is, guys?
What did it say? Numbers?
What is it?
Oh, I didn't know if you could read it.
It's heavy. Very, very heavy.
Someone will know. Probably Jody.
Yeah.
Oh, I should have.
You recording already?
Yeah.
This is footage. This makes our video longer.
I
I think we found somebody's homemade magnet fishing rig. It's a speaker, and they tied some cord around it. And I got the end of the cord here. That's cool. If this is yours, let us know.
You can have it back.
You can have it back and I'll probably just give you a magnet because this is sad. But you tried thinking. My goodness. We're here with our buddy Adam, by the way. He's gonna be starting up a YouTube channel here shortly.
That's right.
When he does, we'll have that link below this video. We'll probably make more videos with him in the future, but we're about to pack up our mess that we got here and we're gonna go to a new spot. See you there. Why is it so heavy? Oh my god. Fishing line attached to it. Oh, here's the bike.
Hey, you have the other wheel to it, right?
See what's on this fishing line.
Oh jeez. Maybe it's like.
There's a weight.
No, wait, but look at it. It's still white.
Gonna break.
Oh, gee.
Feels like it's moving though.
Oh, it's a goby.
Come on.
Oh,
What kind of lure is on the end of this thing? I want to know.
that's not a goby.
Where's my hand? Oh.
Hey, but it was metal. It was metal.
Well, we got the fishing line out of the wire.
Yeah.
That's good. And we got another bite. Boy, Charles, look at that.
Beautiful.
We got a couple nice little fishing lines on here. Mango.
We just saved a toad from the water. Mama, reach in. He was swimming in
Poor
the
little
river.
buddy, he was trying to get out.
And he's so cold.
We'll bring him home.
Yeah.
He can live in the backyard.
Yeah, we have rocks for him.
Yes.
A lot of rocks, actually.
All right. Good rescue effort.
Fishing lure. And a bike lock, baby. We got the bike. Now we got the lock. Definitely doesn't go to it. The bike was down there. And we got this weird little lure. Never seen one like that before. How neat. I'm gonna catch a fish with this. Not today. What? Something big on. It's a jack. Oh. Is there a car down there? Probably. We're gonna find it.
Well, he found the fender.
Oh, it's a rock. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button down below.
What's in your lap?
Snake.
Is there a snake in your lap? Oh my gosh, let's get a close up on that thing.
George.
That's George the Python.
Python. Oh, never mind.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. We had a lot of fun out there catching those bluegill. Maggie got her first little crowbar, as you guys saw. He's wrapping around you.
Oh, my leg.
Can't believe we found that safe. I can't believe Nancy got the door and I got the actual safe a few throws later. A little bit down the river too, so we really liked out there. You got another bike and some other cool things that you guys saw. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to pick yourself up a magnet, the links will be down in the description below, along with our merch links and our links to our Facebook and our Instagram. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We got a lot more fun adventures to share with you guys, and we got a lot more giveaways to do as well. So if you guys want to win some free stuff, you have to be subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Who wants to say the last part?
No.
And we'll see you on
The next video!